welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we're going to Granite Gorge Nature Park.
Yeah, that's it.
And we're going in a camping. As you can see at the back, there's so much things. That's what we need. And we just bought a, what do you call that one? Mattress bag?
Self-inflating mattress.
Yes, that's it.
We got them, and now we're off to Smithfield to get some food. I think we're going to get kebabs for dinner, aren't we?
Yeah, kebabs.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye. Whatever. Bye.
Here we are at Lone Star, getting ourselves a good feed. What did we get?
Good feed.
We're getting the fish burger, the children's fish burger.
Biggest I met child.
And the Texan barbecue. We're mixing the bigs with the littles today.
Yes. Are you trying to piss me off?
I don't need to try, you just get pissed off, don't you?
So yeah, we're just stopping by to have something to eat.
No
Bye.
worries. See you later, alligator.
So we're having a stop by here at Sierra Lookout. Oh, look at this. That's what's in there. And James is in the car. What the hell she's doing there? What he is doing there, rather. So yeah, we're here at the Sierra Lookout in memory of Arthur Francis Panisserie. Rose right here. Okay. So yeah, this is the place. It's so windy wind. It's almost covering my face. I know. Windy wind. You know who Siri Bunny what? Look at that name. Arthur Francis Panisserie.
Yeah, like that.
Do you know him? He's an engineer.
No, I don't know.
Charo lang. But you're old, so you must know him. You're an old engineer.
Oh, he was born in 1916, probably around the time I was born.
Yeah, and he died in the year I was born, 1987.
I must be the ghost. You might be the ghost of him.
What?
That might be you in a past life.
No. Really? I'm a reincarnation.
Yeah, you're Arthur Francis Panisserie. You're the reincarnation of him.
Because I was born the day he died. On the year he died.
Yeah, exactly.
I know what you're giving.
That's why you felt the urge to come out here.
No, that's
Because
why.
this was your final resting
No.
place in your past life.
No. Maybe you're right. Like I was an engineer in my past life.
That's why you want to find an engineer in your current life.
Yeah, that's why I have an engineer in my current life. Look at this man. How lucky I am. I was able to continue my engineer blah blah by having you.
Yeah.
And then, wow. You talk too much. Almost there. So we're just going to the reception, don't we? Look at this place. Yee.
Oh, there's some little cockatoos.
What?
Look.
Where?
Goliath.
Oh, well, I want to see the wallabies.
Yeah, we'll see the wallabies.
They said when you feed them, they will come to you. Yeah, hey, many cars, oh. We're here at the reception. Hello there, little one. Big one. Oh, snake. Did you just touch the snake? Good. Can I go near? Yeah, I know.
I folded one of them.
You did?
Yeah, I folded.
Isn't it scary?
He's like soft on the edges, but I haven't touched his neck or something. I don't want it to be spiky.
Yeah, true.
I've holded one of those. I've holded.
How about the snake? Did you hold the snake?
I holded that one. Yeah, I've held that. I've held a blue tongue.
Oh my, you're not tall enough to get it. Look at the, look at the snake.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
What's that? Peacock.
As you go for your walk, just follow the path that goes leading down the bottom there.
Yes.
Look at that. I want to see your peacock. Your peacock.
Down the bottom area here, that's where you feed the wallaby.
Oh, very good.
Okay. So we got we have wallaby food in the office at $1 per bag.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay.
So if you want to feed them. When you want to go for your walk, head off in that direction there. So just follow
Direction.
the line around on this, across the bridge, go down to the reef, you see baby turtles down there.
Yep.
Come back up, there's the next bridge, follow the line all the way back. That's about 30-40 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Up here, the colour will change red. Past the dinosaur footprints, just be extra careful going through here. When you do get through, head to Whale Rock, come back to here, leave the gorge and follow a vehicle track back to the cabins and home.
Yeah.
Or come back here, retrace your steps and then finish off your short walk.
Oh,
okay.
That's
No
cool.
worries.
Just walk up here, back to the cabin, back home, about an hour 10, hour 20.
Nice. All right.
And down here, you can go for a swim.
Oh, very good.
Good.
Nice.
I'll give you this map
Guidelines.
and this our waiver form.
Yep.
At some stage, before you go for your walk, just have this filled in, bring it back, signed and dated on back as
Yep.
well.
No
And
worries.
then
worries.
you need to sign the register in the office.
All good.
No worries.
So if we head back this way.
After we were given instructions to the reception, we then head straight to the place where we'll be setting up our tent and we'll be staying for one night. So we're here, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I like the ambience. Are we gonna set up here? Where? Here?
Yeah.
Ooh. Look at the bush. It's like the one in the horror movies again. So there you go. We're done setting up the tent after half an hour. And I'll show you what's inside. So we're here now, inside. Is this really inflating?
I
Oh
think
yeah,
it
it is.
Well, I think when you lie on it, it deflates, but maybe you're meant to squash the squashy squash. Just now, once it's full, I think you gotta turn it. And
But
then
it's
it
not yet
stops.
full. Is it full already?
You gotta wait until it's full, and then you turn the turny turns.
Yeah, but we're sitting on it, so it's not
So
gonna
when
get
you sit
full.
on it, it doesn't get full. But once it's full, you screw the screw, and then
Then you don't lie down in there. You're the one
but
who
now
lie.
you lie on it, and then it's inflated. See, it's done now. So
Is
once
this?
you're off it, it inflates, and now that it's properly inflated, you get this, and you
Is it inflated? Is this what it is? I thought it's gonna be low puffy puff.
yeah, there you go. Now it's done.
Yay! Oh. So we're here
In our
Let's-
tent,
in our tent. It's quite hot, hey?
it's nice. It's good.
Why don't we go to Wallabies while there's still light and we can still take pictures?
Alright, let's just lie down for a bit. It's been quite stressful putting up this tent.
Oh yes, you gave me stress.
Oh, we gave each other a lot of stress.
How did they give you stress, babe?
I was just stressed, you know. It was really a stressful experience.
Yeah, because it's my first time to do camping here in Australia, and you?
Oh, I've been a few times when I was a lot younger, but you know.
Yeah, but he's old now, so he can't remember how to.
I got Alzheimer's. I'm very, very old.
Very, very old
So
now.
old. Old.
Oh my god, that was finally, you know? Videographer.
Are we going to the Wallabies?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you have $1 to get a bag of food, wallaby food?
Foods. It's in the car.
They're still holding it. Look at the snaky snakes.
Yeah.
You wanna hold it?
You can hold it.
You wanna hold it?
No, you can hold it.
You scared?
I'll hold it. If you really want me to.
No, Smudge, you stay away from them. I don't trust us together.
I need some
Hey,
water.
where's the lizard? Are you still there? Trust me.
Hello.
He just smelling you, that's all. Put your
He
hand
likes
like
to taste you. He only smells you.
He likes to smell you.
Yeah. Stick your arm here.
Stick your arm hide in his arm.
He's got sharp claws, but he won't scratch you. See?
Put him on your shoulder. On the cloth so it doesn't.
You don't want to do it.
You want it?
Would you like to pet him?
Oh my god.
It's all good. You want to help me?
Isn't it scary?
Camera for you.
Isn't it scary?
These ones are the scary ones.
Oh.
He sticks his claws in more.
Go on.
It doesn't hurt.
Jenny, you get
Oh,
some.
it's nails. Does it hurt? No.
Only you put on your clothes. It doesn't hurt. You put on your clothes. Look, you can stick your face up here and smile.
Go on.
Not let push your torch.
Yeah, I'll hold on to that one.
Are you sure it's not safe?
Hold like a baby.
Okay. Can you do it
Oh,
first?
come on, I'm filming you.
Oh, it doesn't.
Oh, do you want him that?
Monty's stuck. I can't.
No, his name is Oh my god!
There you
Let's find the emeralds.
I've got Hello Baby.
go. Mm-hmm.
What's the name of this?
Look, Dad, I got scratch.
Where's Amy?
Oh, it's licking my...
Oh yeah, I'll break.
Tara, look, come here.
Don't you want to hold it? Look.
I'm filming you. You're having a good time.
Take a photo of me, don't you?
Hang on, it's taking a video, so you know.
You will clean your teeth.
It's licking.
That likes to lick.
Yeah, it does.
Xander, what's your name?
Take a closer look.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Don't you want to hold it?
I'm holding these right now, but I'll hold it.
Take a photo.
But I need to put these down.
Do you want me to hold it?
Oh yeah, okay. You hold on to that one. It's just kind of make sure you don't drop it.
Oh yeah, self-leveling. That's cool.
Yeah, that's a good one. That one.
Where did you get them from?
I think we got that one from JB Hi-Fi.
Oh yeah, that is so cool.
You hold it.
Like a baby.
Like a baby.
Like this.
Like this. You put it in your chest.
Get away from the reptile side.
Oh my god, you're so brave.
Put arms like baby.
Obviously, you don't know how to hold a baby.
Then just put one hand over the top so I don't fall because he gets a bit lazy at times.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
This name
Is that a blue chunk?
Yeah.
It's a big blue chunk.
Well, not long, but it's fat.
Right.
Sometimes I think it smells.
Yeah, because if you put your finger in front of his mouth, it might poke his tongue out.
Oh, is that what it does? Yeah. It's just supposed to have a little lick.
I kissed him before.
It eats icy poles.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It's icy balls.
Oh, do you want to hold a snake? It doesn't bite, but it only wraps around your arm.
Is it going to strangle me or something?
It only wraps around your arm because it likes it. It doesn't choke you, nothing.
Oh, nothing.
No, it only licks you too. It's not venomous.
Isn't it? Can we? We're really gonna do it? You hold on to it.
I'll just hold on to this one there.
Do you leave here or?
Oh, this is
I want
fun.
the smaller one. That's too big.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, look at his tongue. He's sticking his tongue out. He's got a little tongue, all right? Yeah.
I love this thing. I might have to get myself one. I'm definitely gonna have to get myself one.
Yeah, I think it was like 200 or something. Yeah, they're some of the JB Hi-Fi. Yeah, they're pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't really have the most stable hand when I'm holding cameras, and I usually get blurry photos.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's giving you a little. Oh.
There's a bigger one.
Hey, this one's friendly.
Smile at him. Smile at him. Oh, that's cool. He does do it all the time. Hey, Emerald. That's so weird. He doesn't hurt. Emerald.
Are you sure it doesn't?
It hurts. It's Emerald, the cheeky pet.
Nice one, nice one.
Yes, Emerald. Watch
Here's
this.
a blue tongue. You want to grab him?
Huh?
If you don't eat
Like this back.
Yeah.
Thank you. Why don't you put it in the tripod so that you know?
All right.
These people thought that those two working on said, smell you first.
I mean, what if
He doesn't.
You haven't had the guinea pigs or anything?
You're the first.
Is it going to strangle you?
No. You just hold it out.
Oh, okay.
Get him off, get him off.
We're gonna use some
I'll get him down further. I don't want him up there. You hold that bit. Look at Emerald. Emerald.
Oh, there we go.
Grab him.
Alrighty. Oh, he's well,
Emerald,
yeah,
Emerald.
he likes to have a good rap.
Emerald. Oh, Sponge, no. Sponge. Sponge, no.
Oh my god.
Sponge. Oh, it's pink. I'm so sorry.
You right?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's the one on the camera.
He's trying to wrap around my neck, Santa.
Oh my god, this is so
Hello. Hello.
Oh my god, you're so brave. Aw, pretty.
His name is
Smudge?
Yes.
They're very friendly, these animals, eh?
Yeah.
They're just
Oh
like
no,
to-
come on, Sponge. Sponge, good boy. No. And this is the other one. It's trying to. That's not too much. Only put him on his teeth. He won't hurt you. If he tries to give us, I'll get it after. Like if he tries to run, it's holding, and I'll get it. Sponge. Hold all the way so he tries to.
Yeah, he's alright. He's just having a little, little fluffy rap.
He will eat
He likes to sing.
Look what they have.
Go.
Daddy, you take a photo.
Just go in aperture mode, like put it in the manual.
I'll just put on auto.
It takes time for it to, you know.
He'll wrap around you somewhere.
You sure it's not going to bite me?
No, he won't bite. Hand down and grab him here.
Okay.
And he should just say, might bite me.
Likes the camera. Oh, he likes the camera.
Yeah, looks like. Is it there?
Put it right along the face like it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to watch it finish. Just like, no, snakes are supposed to be on that side